How's it going, guys? So, you've probably come to this video looking for a quick guide on how to fix the dodgy Ford Falcon cup holder. Now, usually what happens with these things is there's a little clip there that connects into here and would hold it shut, making that a nice clean look. But they were just built so poorly that the little thing here would snap, just like this one here. So, I'm going to show you a quick and easy fix that personally, I've not found a video online about, so this here I think is a first, but if there is, just let me know. So basically this isn't a permanent, or it is a permanent fix in a way, but it helps for the time being and it keeps it shut and holds it shut. Now what you want to do, you want to open up your glove box and you'll find the two insert points here. What you want to do is you want to pull on them until they click, and then it comes loose. Then you just wiggle it about and it's out. Basically, this locking mechanism is run on two little springs, and what holds it open are those springs. As you can see, they extend as you pull it. Now what you'd want to do is hold it to the open position, and basically all you do, pop the ends off, just like that. Do not lose them though. Keep them, because if you ever, say, get rid of the part or swap it, you want the springs there anyway. And now with the springs removed, all you need to do is close it. That pop back open then. Holds it shut. So then you find the yellow clips, you line them up all the way around. Slide it into place. I just missed the clip. Pull it back out. It may take a few times to do it though, because it has been quite difficult to do. There we go. Straight on in. And now once you shut the glove box, it should in theory hold it shut. Now what you'd do is you'd push that and it would pop right open because the locking mechanism would unlock. But what you need to do in this case is just simply push there, like that. Holds it open, shut. Open and shut. So that's it. Hopefully that helped you. If it didn't, well, I did something wrong, but there you go. There's the easy and quick way to fix the dodgy cup holder attachment in your BA or BF Ford Falcon. Thanks for watching.